We've got the 25 basis points priced in. We don't expect that to happen. There may be an increase in the May or June meeting, but likelihood is everything is paused. Wait to see the inflation data and wait to see what happens. So much has happened in the last 48 hours. You look at what happened to the 2-year US Treasury yesterday. You look at where the VIX is. Whilst we're more constructive H2 in the longer term, it's really hard to navigate through these markets right now.
So the Fed's not going to hike rates this month, in your view, Yogi. Why would they do that? Why work this hard and position markets in the way that they have and destroy the fragile credibility that they have and not decide to move ahead with rate hikes that they've been talking about for all of this time? Only a week ago, we were talking about the prospect of a 50 basis point hike.
You know, I think Powell's got a lot to answer for. I know that there's a lot of talk about the regulators and what they've been doing or not been doing in this instance, but Powell has been indicating to the markets that rates should go higher because of his inflation narrative. It's really hard to see that being justified right now with everything that's going on. I think this is a time to just be cautious, to pause, wait to see what happens over the next week to 10 days, and then you can start to make decisions about the medium to longer term. I know the narrative has been geared towards increasing rates, but the yield curve, whilst inverted, has started to flatten. You had a very strong non-farm payrolls number last week at 310,000. You've got inflation data today. The market's at 6.4, expecting 6.1%. Just wait to see how things play out, see what the fallout is. Now, the backdrop to all of this is US equity markets are still up 1% year to date. Europe is up 11%. The UK is up 4%. And of course, China is up 6%. This isn't a market that is panicking, despite what we're seeing with the VIX at the moment.